What's going on, guys? What's better than this haircut is the new Manscaped, the Ultra Smooth package. I cut my own hair, so that's meaning a lot, meaning that this is better than this, but don't get me wrong. I think I cut my hair pretty good. Ladies and gentlemen, Manscaped has come out with the Ultra Smooth package, meaning that if you don't have their new Lawnmower 4.0 or on the verge of like, should I get it? Should I not get it? I prefer to straight shave. Then this product is gonna be for you. Now, don't get me wrong. The Lawnmower 4.0 does a fantastic job. That video will be linked in the description box below and at the end of this video as well. It works great. Chest hair, stomach hair, back hair, armpit hair. You guys get the idea downstairs as well, but I'm not taking away the fact that a lot of you like to do a smooth shave completely with a razor, and if that is what you're hip to each their own. With that in mind, I'm super pumped on this because I do shave my arms when I'm in a quick rush. I just take the Lawnmower 4.0. I trim my arm hair if I want it low, but I prefer my arm hair to be straight shaved, as to mention down below. When you're too slow, you go down below. Now, as we get into this video, my code is ChrisB20 for 20% off your entire order. You don't have to order this, but if you do, you're gonna get 20% off. If you order the new Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0, you're gonna get 20% off that. Whatever you shop for on manscaped.com, all the info is gonna be in the description box below. The Ultra Smooth package has the crop exfoliator, which is 3.5 ounces, and that is dermatologist tested. It is vegan, it is cruelty-free, it is gluten-free, it is paraben-free, and it is fragrance-free. And that helps to prevent irritation while nourishing skin. Next over is gonna be the crop gel. This is a clear growing shaving gel. This is also vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. I'm gonna botch the pronunciation of this. Phylantha-free and formaldehyde-free. You also have the crop shaver, which is a 3-blade, not to mention replacement blades. You get 5 of them in this. The shaver is a pivoting head, a micro comb bar, extra wide lubrication strips, thoughtfully designed, and of course you have the crop shaver case. So typically when using the Lawnmower 4.0, I like to do it on dry land. Of course you can do it in the shower, it is waterproof, but for straight shaving, definitely I like the shower. Typically, I shower after my kickboxing boxing sessions. You're just nasty and you need a shower. So you jump in the shower, nice and hot, summertime, maybe dial it down just a little bit where it's a little bit maybe over lukewarm. I don't like hot showers in the summertime. Wintertime though, you blast that bad boy right there and you just give it a ride. So, and what's nice too is that you take the straight shaver and you go from your boys and you just run it all the way back like a mohawk. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm talking about, right? You want to scoop it down there if you're gonna be down there in the first place, you know what I'm saying? So you just keep going down and then you run right out the back door, you know what I'm saying? And what that's gonna do is that's gonna put a nice slip and slide surface for your TP. You know what I'm talking about? Use a bidet, by the way, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know about just wiping. You know, you wanna get in there real nice and it's gonna be so creamy smooth, it's gonna be like a slip and slide. It's just gonna be like sprinting and then just diving. And I'm talking your goggles on and you're just smooth sailing right on down the street. Anyway, I'm getting overexcited about it, so I need to jump in the shower after my session tonight and take it for a run. Even Maria's so excited about it. Oh, maybe not. All right, let's get this bad boy out of here. The marketing team definitely does a great job with their products, showing you all the goodies there. Now, something you are gonna notice right off the bat is this is smaller. The handle is definitely smaller than your typical shaver. Typically, it's probably, I'd say, another maybe 1.5 inches down, but that is really nice and small, and I like how it's wider down here at the bottom. And then you do have this grippy area right here, which is really sweet. So actually, it's a really nice design, especially for going down and making sure the boys are smooth as silk. You know what's better than smooth as silk? Tiger silk. Tigers, I don't even know if that's a thing, but I'm getting excited. Bria, are you getting excited for it? I'm getting pumped up. You're asleep. Never mind. So 6 blades total, including the one attached already. 5 replacements. And that's cool. It has a little draining function here on the bottom of it there for the excess water to drain out. And what's cool about that is you can take that in your ditty bag. That's code word for your overnight bag for your trips. Well, without further ado, let's put this thing to the test. I'm scruffy, top shelf, bottom shelf, all around. And of course, I'm gonna use it where the sun don't shine. Let's get into it. All right, my friends, we're not gonna obviously show you in the shower about what you're supposed to do, but we're gonna show you up here. First off, you jump in the shower, you warm the boys up really nice, and then you put your crop exfoliator on. To demonstrate, I'm gonna show you beaded, almost like a face wash. So you're gonna go ahead and obviously with your boys nice and wet, you're gonna go ahead and get them nice and just go around the whole surface. Obviously the boys, you know, moisturize them real nice. And what it's gonna do here, if we can get in, see that right there? These are beads here. So that's gonna exfoliate the dead skin or any skin that needs to come off. And then you're gonna go ahead and just do that. Just get them, you know, nice and lubed up. You don't have to do it too long, but just go ahead and moisturize that in just like a face wash. Go ahead and rinse that off. You know, you're in the shower, so go ahead and rinse that off. So let me do that here real quick. And then once that is rinsed off, then you're gonna grab your crop gel. After you grab the crop gel, go ahead and use it however much you want. Might want to start with something like a large dime. If it's not enough, go ahead and get it in there more. Again, same thing. And what's really nice about the crop gel, number one, it's really thick. And until you get it, you're gonna understand. This is not some really junky thin. This is like a thick, nice, clear cream. I don't know the science behind it, but it's a lot thicker than other gels that I have used, shave gel. And then what I like to do with your razor, now obviously I'm already out of the shower and we'll talk about the boys and how they feel right now. But this is really convenient for your boys because of how small it is and the texture right here as well. I really like how the blade is designed here. And my personal tip is what I do with hot water. I cut my hand in the shower and I go ahead and let it sit in there for about 30 seconds, warming the blades. And with that, it's just easier to cut. So with your gel on your boys, then obviously go ahead and just fire away. And it's gonna be turning out really nicely for you. Obviously, make sure your blade is rinsed. It's gonna attract some nice hairs you didn't even know you had, ladies and gentlemen. And so once you are all shaved up, trust me, you will feel like $1,000,000. Well, folks, I'm not gonna lie to you. It feels like Christmas morning with fresh cookies and milk. I'm gonna be honest with you, after I was done, that night I was getting ready for bed and I laid in bed and I was like, wow, it feels nice and good down there, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's like I want a hula hoop. You know what I'm saying? It's feeling real nice. Don't forget your Manscaped boxers as well. Love these. I own about 7 pairs. Absolutely fantastic. They are my go-tos. I do like the size of this for your boys. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, as I was just go ahead and, you know, just trimming them up real nice, just like a tree. I just went ahead and went nice and backside, you know what I'm saying? And again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, just keep going around and then just go ahead and loop on up. So what we're doing in that situation by taking it down the boys and all the way up the backside is we're creating a clean, beautiful surface. It's gonna feel like you're sitting on a bidet, eating a beautiful picnic meal with a summer breeze just coming straight across. It's gonna feel absolutely fantastic. And if you do not own a bidet, definitely get one of those as well. Ladies and gentlemen, 20% off free shipping. Use my new code, ChrisB20. It's gonna all be in the description box below the video. You don't even have to remember it. Just look in the description box below the video. You're gonna find the direct link to their website. My code, ChrisB20 for 20% off plus free shipping. Ultra smooth package. That goes for that. That also goes for the new Lawnmower 4.0. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it at the very end of this one. I think it's a great deal, especially with all the replacement blades, the crop exfoliator, crop gel. You can buy it all. You can pick and choose what you want. You're gonna get 20% off free shipping. Use my code, it's below. Hit that thumbs up button if you've appreciated the video. It adds value to this channel and I'm appreciative. Subscribe and we will see you on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.